Hi, this is Mr. Capper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to model an example solar panel mount. Everyone's is fairly different from each other, but I'm hoping this example one will show you a method that you can copy to make your own. So you want to go to File, New, and then Part. You're going to start a 2D sketch. And what I'm going to do is sketch mine from the side. I used millimeters, so I am going to go up and change that because the default is inches. If you're using inches, you don't need to do this. Hit OK. Then I'm going to go back into my sketch. I'm going to use the line tool. And I'm just going to use some crazy dimensions, I guess. Let's see. I'm going to type in, let's just try 40. Remember, don't copy my dimensions because I'm just using crazy stuff here. I'm going to come out, 15. Hit enter. I'm going to go down by, I'm going to make the thickness of this 4. Then from here, I could just approximate it. You can go back and dimension. Notice I didn't make this 4. If you want it to look nice, you'd want to make it all the same thickness. You could have used the grid too if you wanted. You need to set the grid though because this isn't correct. And then, like I said, I'm using fake numbers, so it doesn't really matter too much what I'm using here. But you want to make sure this is going to fit on your car, so you want to use the dimensions in your sketch. I'm going to finish this up, and then I'm going to extrude it. Let's see what 70 looks like. 70 millimeters. A little big, but. So now, you could just put your team number on here, or you could cut this out. Should I be nice? Alright, I'll be nice and show you how to cut this out to lower the weight. So do a sketch on here. I'm just going to do something goofy. You could use the rectangle tool. I'll make this like polka dot. Gotta leave room for my number somewhere. I would probably use the rectangle tool if you wanted to look normal. I don't know, this is kind of cool, right? Click on all the surfaces that you want to cut. Notice the default's always to extrude it out. We want to do a cut though. If the cut doesn't go far enough, you can always click, because like sometimes it's shallow. If you want it to go all the way through, make sure you pull it through or hit a number into here until it's right. And hit OK. And then don't forget you need your number on everything. So I'm going to do one last sketch for that. Notice I hit the wrong button. There we go. And then text. I would make your number kind of big because this is a prominent feature here. Like before, you can change this to whatever size you want. I'm going to try 1 inch, but I got a feeling that that is going, oh, that's cool. You can do italicized too. And then notice, yeah, that's what I thought. This will be too big with all these polka dots I did. Click and drag it. There we go. So we could put this on here. You really want to cut this because the machine would need support material if you don't cut this. So to change the size, I'm going to try 1/2 inch. Kind of small, but that'll work. I would definitely cut this in. It lightens it up. And then also, like I said, we're going to need support material, and it's harder to print if you don't cut this. So we could cut this all the way through. You could cut it in by a shallow amount. If you don't like the 4, this will fall out if you go all the way through. So if you don't want it to fall out, you could do something like that. color it in for fun. So select the whole thing, choose a color, hit the check mark, and then let's make this 4 a different color just so it's clear. So you want to click on it, click and drag. You can make it a different color, it doesn't have to be black. And you'll notice this 4 is not super visible, but it's good enough for me when I go to grade this. So notice now the solar panel can be glued up on top here or velcroed, which is even better. And then down below, this would be super glued up against the frame of your car. Don't forget to save this on your H drive, so go File, Save. And then if your H drive doesn't come up right away, remember you have to go through it this way. And then use our naming system here, team number. Put your number, not my number. And hit save. Please let me know if you have any questions.